Hi Lewis, this is Mike Hersey. I've just watched your testimony to the, I think it was a Maine legislature. I'll just give you some feedback on that because the content of your presentation was really excellent. I thought you really nailed some very important points. However, what I noticed, and I couldn't help noticing, was that the energy level of both uh, your presentation and of the woman that you said was, gangster testimony. I think you're both very information rich people, and you were very keen to get all the information out. Um, and you were possibly both concerned about running out of time before you'd finished. But in order to establish effective communication, the first thing you need to do is establish rapport. And one of the most important aspects of that is matching the energy level. And in a situation like that, you need to match the energy level in the room. So you really needed to start off much lower and slower in order to, something do I like there? In order to establish rapport and communicate effectively. Because I certainly felt that feeling feeling the pace of the room, that when you and the other lady were speaking, but more so you, it was like being hit with by a machine gun. And in people's current frame of, or the frame of people, the frame of mind that people were in, they were not likely to be able to fully digest all the points you were making. They'd almost be skeeting over the top in a way. So that's a critical point to take on board if you're establishing, if you're communicating with people who are going to be affecting future legislation, and that is to match their energy levels at least when you start speaking to them.